Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove things like screen locks, so if you have one set that you just simply don't remember, maybe you set it by mistake, you can get rid of it this way. Now I will also warn you that this will not remove things like Google accounts, so if you are logged into your Google account and you do this, the device will become FRP locked and you'll need to verify either the previously set up screen lock or the Google account throughout the setup process. Now that being said, I will also be recording a video on how you can bypass this, if that is one of the things that you're interested in. Now, going back to this video, I will lock the phone and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I wouldn't know my pattern. So to get started, hold your power key, select power off, and when the phone turns off you want to hold power key and volume up. I'm gonna let go of the power key, but I am holding still volume up, and it looks like this actually does not access recovery mode, so I'm gonna try volume down instead. It looks like it's a different button. So let's do that right now. Power key, volume down. There we go. That's what we're looking for. So it's power key and volume down when the phone is off. Now we need to use the volume keys to select our recovery mode. So there we go. Once you see recovery mode right here, press power key. Give it a second and it will show up with probably Android with no command. There we go. So when you see this, hold power key and press volume up once. This will redirect us to recovery mode. And in here, again using volume keys, you want to scroll down and select wipe data factory reset. Confirm it. Give it a moment, as you can see, wiping data. And in a second, it should say data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So we will just simply confirm it by pressing power key. So there we go. Now at this point it will be continuing the factory reset in the background, so it might take the device a little bit longer to boot back up. That's completely normal. Just give it a minute or so, and once it's finished, obviously we'll be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Well, that was way quicker than I expected. So as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you want, unless it's locked like it is for me. In this case, next video will be the bypass of this. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.